Okay, I'm making fries.
Look at this video.
What the frick?
Your voice record.
I'm making a pickle. Yeah!
Don't worry, baby.
Stop it! Kabayaan mo na.
Very nice.
Nagulat yung pagtingin ko dun.
Very nice. Good job.
I'm making a pizza. I'm making pepperoni. You can do the, I can do the pizza shape while you do all the pepperonis and cheese. Just do the pepperoni. I can do a pepperoni, but I need scissors. What the frick? I need scissors. I need dark hair. Why are you scared? Can I do some small pizza? Okay, that is okay. I can get a small pepperoni.
Give your pizza first.
We're doing some pizza. And for her pet.
My favorite pizza is Hawaiian.
I'm gonna do for you pizza Hawaiian.
Yes.
Yeah, I made you going to do your pizza Hawaiian. I'm not gonna sprinkle it anywhere. I don't know it's Hawaiian.
That's very good.
You always get me. Give me some pepperoni. Here's some pepperoni. Here's pepperoni. One pepperoni. For Amy.
Pepperoni is your favorite pepperoni?
Yeah. Oh, there's your Hawaiian.
Like that? This is pepperoni?
Give me that! Give me! Give me it! Give me
Pepperoni.
it! No! Never mind, that is okay.
I don't like pepperoni.
I want her face! You need to stop that video and get her again. Don't throw that for customers.
I'm gonna do some pepperonis.
And for Amy. Ano Amy? For pet. For Amy.
This is for Evie, right?
Okay. How I
Don't you dare ruin us. You're the ruthless.
You did.
Kunwari nagbablog ka. Hi guys.
Ulit mo. Ulit mo.
Ayan na.
Ulit mo.
Naka-play. Okay.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're sorry.
Ano gagawin nyo ngayon? Ano gagawin nyo ngayon? Kunwari.
Making a pizza for
With the pizza pepperoni.
English. Speak English.
Yeah.
We're making a pizza for
Make a pizza.
pet.
What is this?
Pizza.
This is not a pizza. Don't ruin me.
Don't go with us.
No, it broke. Easy to mold now.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Cut the video.
Ouch. Ouch. My finger is stuck.